Friday evening and my girl is opening a lounge today. I'm so excited about that, so I'm on my way there right now. I did want to film a get ready with me, but I kind of did that last week. But I will be taking you guys with me to the lounge, and I'm just wearing like a simple top, some black jeans, my Gucci belt and bag. I got her these flowers, they're so beautiful. I love this one. These are the things I got in Ikea. Got some really cute wine glasses. Look at how nice that is. And then I ordered like a nice like cupboard thingy with glass, but I have to wait for that to get delivered. And some little candles, and I ordered a new shower rack. The other one I was having started getting rusty, and some other little stuff, but yeah, this is what I got. So I just got my lawnmower delivered. I did get the push one, not the electric one, because one, my garden is not very big, and two, I don't have a shed, so I don't have anywhere to put the electric one, where this one can be outside the whole year. So this is basically how it looks. That took about 2 minutes. Just got myself a new garden set. I did want to get the sofa, but you know, the L-shaped sofa thing, but I did measure and I don't have enough space. Most of my garden is grass, so this is it. This is gonna fit perfectly. So these are the flowers they have. It looks a little bit dead in here, but I'll probably get these. I like them. And some of these probably. These are so cute as well. Oh, yes, up here. These are the flowers I got. I didn't get that many because I already have strawberries and some other roses and stuff. So I think this is all I can fit in there. So yeah, I'm loving these little. Oh, and I got these, what they're for inside. So pretty they are, very summery. The weather is not that nice today, but I'll still get started and plant these flowers. I do need my other vase for these flowers, as this vase is huge and flowers not enough, but I will transfer them later. But they're so cute. Oh, this is so embarrassing, but this is how it looks now. As you can see, there's so many strawberries, and I have them at the other end, and I think they're kind of growing up here. Some of these, oh, and these are my roses. I don't know why they didn't grow this year, but I guess it's not too late. I can't remember if I planted these last year or if it's just something that's grown up by itself. And this one, some more strawberries, and there's some strawberries out here. Look at how big that one is. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. So beautiful. I need to do something about these roses because they died, obviously. But yeah, this is it. My garden is given. And this is quite a download. Oh, see why I love this delivery and that. My friend ordered this from like the other end of the country to my place. Oh, so nice. I like it when it's cooked a bit more. This is Nando's, by the way. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for like 10 minutes. Hey guys, I'm just on my way now to get my nails and feet done. I was actually supposed to go to Paris today, but it's been cancelled. Too much drama. But I'm going to London tomorrow.